going to be talking about a reflector for photography. And with it comes a tilting accessory package, and it comes with a different adapter for the, I think that's a 1/2 inch to 1/4, because this is your normal 1/4 adapter, but if you have a bigger 1/2 inch, that's where that would go. Actually, it goes over here. Where does this come apart? I don't know. Anyways, you get it. That's what that's for. And then of course you have the ability to twist and turn this to lock it specific directions. And I do believe, I'm trying to figure out where that goes. That could fit here, but I don't know if that's correct. It looks like it might be. So anyways, so let's get to the start of the show, which is this guy. And I'm gonna go ahead and unzipper it again. And I'm gonna keep unzippering. I'm gonna start to open this up, and it's just going to open up itself. So, as you can see, there is a silver side to it. So you have the silver on this side, you have the black on this side, and I also wanted to point out that there is a ton of different connectors on this thing that you can see to connect to different mounts. So what you need to do is you just press down on it to get it to let loose a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then what you do is you just press down on this and slide it around. So there you have the white reflective, and then you can flip this inside out for the other way, and then just stick it back in here. Make sure it's completely turned around first. All right, so that's basically going to sit in there like that, and you just bring the zipper part. So then I'm just going to bring this back over to this side, and you have to, actually this zipper, yes, so the zipper part does go the whole way around. Just have to make it work a little bit. And let's go over to this one, and you can see that one's the whole way around now. And you zipper that up, and now you either have the white or you have the gold. So if you want to get different types of tones that you're going with, you can use any one of those. Now I did notice that there are grips on this so that you can hold it, or if you want to hold it with one hand, you can do that. But if you have somebody who's holding it for you, you can do that. So there you go. And then what's nice is you just twist it like that, and then it just goes back into the bag like you had it before. Grab the bag, throw it in, and since you're twisting it, it basically goes into the same size that it's supposed to. So there you go. Easy, portable, and you get multiple different color reflections of what you're looking for. So if you're looking for something like this, check it out, and there you go.